Boys and girls, you're going to be working on lesson 2-4, which is page 49 and page 50. And you'll notice it is a set of word problems, and they are all money word problems. You're going to be finding the exact cost and giving your answer in dollars. So your unit label is simply going to be the dollar sign. You do not need to write the word dollars out or spell it out. Just put the dollar symbol in front of, to the left of your final answer. And you are going to be practicing how to multiply a one-digit number by a two-digit number using our area model. So I'm going to do a couple of examples to get you started, and then you'll take it from there. Number 19 says a package of paper costs $2. If someone is purchasing 24 packages, how much will it cost? So I know that each package costs $2 and 24 packages is the total amount I'm looking for. The total cost of that is what I am trying to figure out. So I'm going to start by showing my work with drawing a rectangle. And I know my first factor is going to be my short side, my number of rows, and I'm going to use my single digit 2 as my short side. And 24 is my multiplier, but I know I'm going to be breaking that up into place value sections. So I need 1s and 10s for this number. I need a 1 section and a 10 section. And that means 24 will be broken into expanded form. I know that 2 10s are 20, so I put that above my 10 section, plus 4 1s, and 24 is the same as 20 plus 4, so I've just factored it out. Now I'm going to write an equation to find the area of the tens rectangle. 2 groups of 20. 2 times 20 equals, I see a basic fact, 2 times 2 is 4, but it's really not 4, it's 10 times as much. That's what that 0 on the 20 says. So I need 10 times as much in my final answer there. 40 is the area of my tens rectangle. I now need to find the area of my ones rectangle. With sides of 2 and sides of 4, that equation is 2 times 4, and I know that's a basic fact with a product of 8. My last step is to now put these back together. I broke it apart, and I'm putting back together through addition. I've got 40 for the area, 8 for this area, and together I'm going to add 40 plus 8, which I know is 48. What is my label? It's money. How much will it cost? It'll cost $48 total. Remember, that dollar sign goes to the left. It goes in front of the number. I see some people putting it after the number. That's where the cent sign goes. Okay, let's do one more. A box lunch can be purchased for $3. How much will 83 of those lunches cost at that unit price? Okay, so again, I know I'm multiplying. I need not one lunch at $3, but I need 83 of those lunches. So $3 times 83. So when I draw my rectangle, I'm going to put my first factor 3, my single digit factor on the short side, 3. I don't need to factor that out because it's just a one-digit number. 83 will need to be factored into smaller chunks. I use place value to do that. I have 10s and I have 1s, so I need a 10s and a 1 section. 8 is in the tens place for a value of 80, plus 3 is in the 1s for a value of 3. 83, I've just decomposed it into 80 plus 3, so I can have 2 smaller multiplications that I know how to do mentally, using my facts and using my understanding of place value and that 0 shortcut. 3 times 80 will give me the area of the tens rectangle. It's a 3 by 80 rectangle. I know that 3 times 8 is 24, but I'm really not multiplying 3 times 8. I'm multiplying by 80, and 80 is 10 times as much as 8. That 1 0 placeholder needs to be inserted so I can shift the 24 one place to the left, making this 240. 3 by 3 is the size of my ones rectangle, and I know 3 times 3 is 9. Basic fact that I memorized in 3rd grade, and I can see that I've got the tens area rectangle of 240, and the ones area rectangle of 9, and I'm pretty sure I can add those two together in my head. 240 plus 9 more is 249. And I remember that this is money. It's a cost, $249. So you will continue working on the rest of this page and then onto the back of this page, okay? And you're going to be using a similar process for all of the problems. So if you get stuck and you need help, look back at this video again to refresh your memory at these two examples. But once you get the hang of it, the steps are pretty much the same order each time, starting with drawing your rectangle, labeling your sides, factoring your tens into expanded form, finding the equation that shows the area of the tens rectangle, finding the equation that shows the area of the ones rectangle, adding those two together, and labeling your answer.